Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to design and drawing piping instrument. Just follow this step. First step, we activate the Solidworks routing. Go to add-ins. Check Solidworks routing. OK. Go to piping feature. Also you can use electrical feature and tubing feature. But this video we just use piping instrument feature. Go to design library, go to routing, go to piping, go to flange. We have 3 type flange. Just use what flange do you need. Drag this flange to this palm. See, the flange size automatically adjusts. And click OK. Click check. Now drag other flange to this part. Click OK. Click this point and this point. Make merge point. Exit sketch. See, the piping is made. Next step, I want to insert follow-up. Before that, active split rod. Click this line. Go to design library. Go to follow-up. Choose follow-up, what do you need? I choose this one. Just drag to this point. See, now you know how to insert piping equipment in Solidworks. Exit sketch. Exit edit material. Now you have assembly of piping instrument. See, now you know how much pipe and elbow do you need. Let's do it again. Insert flange. Drag this flange to this palm. OK. OK. See? Drag this flange to this part. OK. Now click auto route. Click this point and this point. Just click OK. Drag this line. Let's fix this point. Active sketch fillet. Make fillet parameter 7.5 inch. Click this point. OK. Exit sketch fillet. See, we fix it. Next, active Smart Dimension. Click this point and this line. Make distance 65 inch. Exit sketch. See, piping is made it. Go to piping feature, active split rods. Click to this point. Insert a follow-up. Drag this one. OK. Click no. Exit. See? Now we will connect this flange to this pipe. Go to flange. Drag and drop this flange to this part. See, the flange size automatically adjusts. OK. Exit. Active split line. Click this point. Active auto route. Click this point and this point. Just OK. See, piping line is make it. You can change what style with the piping line like this. Just use line what do you need. Maybe I choose this one. See? Exit sketch. Now I want to insert follow-up. Active split rod. Click this point. Active Smart Dimension. Click this point and this line. Make distance 7 inch. OK. Go to design library. Go to follow-up. Drag and drop this follow-up. OK. Exit sketch. See? Exit edit part. Now you know how to make piping instrument in Solidworks. We can drawing this piping instrument. Follow this step to make it. First, go to this piping design. Go to drawing template. I use this one. Just insert this piping design like this. See? Maybe use this display. We can also make bills of material for this piping instrument design. Go to tables, click bill of material, click this design. OK. See? Now you know what need part to make it. Just use auto balance to mark the design. C. Bill of material and the design balloon connected. You can know quantities of part piping instrument. That is a quick tips. See ya!